Hi, good morning, and thanks for watching this video from Dubbbers Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Q3. So as you can see, it's finished in orange. Really don't think that in here with the artificial lights, it really does the colour justice. It really is a really nice colour, and in my opinion, really suits the car. Especially with the grey wheels and the privacy glass and the chrome trim around the windows and the roof bars. So as with all our videos, really, it's just to give you as you were looking at the car type of perspective. There will be about 100 photos on the adverts as well. None of our photos are photoshopped, it's how the car looks. So really this is just to give you a bit more detail on the car. A lot of our customers do travel a long way, and I really don't want anyone to have a wasted trip. So we've just done a full service on this one. Before it leaves us, we've not done it yet, it will have a new cambelt and water pump fitted as well. And it really is clean and tidy. You can see down there, there's no parking dents or scuffs or scrapes. Normally with Q3s when we get them, the family cars, so spend a lot of time in the supermarkets and outside swimming baths getting dented and scuffed and scratched, but really is well presented. Good spec on the car as well. We'll put the full spec on the advert, but full electric windows, electric heated mirrors, multifunction steering wheel, cruise, Bluetooth, music stream, dual climate control, auto lights, auto wipers, auto dimming mirror. And again, interior really is clean and tidy. Comes with a private plate as well. It's coming with the car. We do viewing by appointment. We always get asked why people can't just drop in and look at a car. If you do come and see us, you'll see that we use every single bit of space here. The cars are always blocked in, and we don't want anyone to set off for a car that someone else is already on the way looking at, or we never have two people looking at the same car at the same time. So if you want to view it, you just need to give us a ring, drop us an email, and you know that when you come, you'll be left alone, the car will be inside, and you'll be able to spend as long as you like looking around it. As always, if you've got any questions, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.